What's the meaning of coarseness? Coarseness. Coarseness.
Coarseness. Coarseness. Coarseness refers to the roughness or unevenness of a surface or texture. When something is described as coarse, it means that its surface is rough, with pronounced bumps or grains, and lacks refinement or delicacy. This term is often used to describe materials such as fabrics, sandpaper, or food. Coarseness can also refer to behaviors or language that are lacking in tact or sensitivity, or to a person's personality or character that lacks refinement or sophistication. Overall, coarseness implies a lack of polish or elegance and suggests a certain level of crudeness or unrefinement.